Hey guys, Rhett here at my client Jamie's third of 4 Section 8 rental properties, guys. Jamie has bought 4 houses in the last 60 days. He's absolutely killing it. I'm absolutely thrilled for him. I want to take you through here. This was a 3-bedroom. We turned it into a 5-bedroom. So this is going to generate between $1,400 and $1,500 a month. We resided the entire exterior. It's got a brand new roof. It's a full rewire. It's a full replumb. It's drywall, flooring, you name it, it's in here. A full gut of the bathroom. We're rebuilding the entire bathroom. So it's a pretty in-depth scope for this project. And this is what we do. And I love it. I'm thrilled with this because the layout in here is phenomenal. Because of the size, and you guys will see, we've been able to create a large dining room, a large living room, and still add 2 bedrooms that don't affect the livability negatively of the home. So I want to walk through it. As always, guys, please drop your comments and questions below. I'll get to everything in that comment section. If you guys want to do this, you can. It's attainable, and it's all about the team you use. Using a team that has all of the resources in one place is how you're going to do it. Doing it with people who have done it over and over and over again, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, thousands and thousands of homes, being able to get in with us, work with me hand in hand, that's how you're going to be able to do something like this safely and make sure that it's profitable. So come on in, guys. I'm so happy for Jamie, and you'll see why. So come on in here. We walk in, and as soon as we walk into the home, and there's a lot of work still needs to be done in here, but as soon as we walk in, we're in the living room, okay? So originally, this entire thing was wide open. You didn't have walls here. We ended up building this wall that you're looking at. We ended up building this side wall here as well. And on the far wall, it was a kind of a half wall with a cased opening. We opened up the case opening on this side, okay, to create a hallway. But originally you had a wall come out there, a wall come out here, and a cased opening. So this whole thing was a big living room that opened into a more of a formal dining room. So what we did, we built this wall, we built this wall, we opened up the case opening here, we closed the case opening there to create our bedroom. So we have bedroom number 2, okay? So bedroom number 2 in here, built our closet, closed the case opening right there, and then you have our other bedroom right here. So bedrooms 1 and 2, okay? Got our closet in the back. We have a piano in here, which it's funny, you know, pianos are super heavy, and nobody wants them. So they're just straight trash, and it's ironic because it actually costs more to get rid of a piano than it does to buy a piano. So they're always a pain, but we leave them in here. We get some guys that play, which is funny. We're doing a bunch of renovations right now where we have pianos in the houses, and you'll walk in sometimes, you'll hear guys playing. So anyway, so bedrooms 1 and 2, we have this hallway that we created, okay, which is gonna lead us into our dining room. So this is our formal dining room. So this kitchen, I'm not gonna go in because we've got stuff, we've got quarter round and wood in here. But we have a really good sized kitchen, okay? And off of the kitchen, we'll have a really nice dining room. So very rarely are we able to do a large sized dining room, a large living room, and 5 big bedrooms. But that's what we were able to do here. So as we walk through, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna build a wall right here, okay? Build a little kind of alcove right here, which is bedroom number 3, and it'll have a door right here and a door right here, which brings you into kind of the rear hallway, okay? So off of the rear hallway, we have our full bath, okay? So everything in here has been replumbed. That piece will come out, new toilet will go in. As you guys can see, when toilets aren't done right, you can have leaking, pretty significant leaking around the base of the toilet, causing all that rot in the floor. So this whole subfloor is coming up, this entire thing's being gutted and rebuilt. All that plumbing will be replaced underneath the fixtures there. Fixtures will come out, this wall will be opened up, new tub will go in, new toilet, new vanity, and new mirror as well. So as we work our way to the rear here, we have bedroom number 4 is on our left. okay? So we've got bedroom number 4 in here. Really, like I said, good size, all new closet doors, and the majority of these doors are getting replaced as well. So bedroom number 4, and then moving our way, it feels like this house is never ending. Back into the hallway, we have our kitchen. So this is the second entry to the kitchen. So you could always walk through the kitchen to get to the front of the house as well. And then we move to the rear. This is another entry door to that bedroom we just came out of. And then you have bedroom number 5. So bedroom number 5 in the rear of the home. We've taken up all the flooring in all of these rooms. It was old, it was peel and stick flooring, which is what's still in that hallway, which is like stickers basically that you can put down if you can look at this and see. So we've got years and years worth of different kinds of flooring. But here we have sheet flooring right there that you can see is peeling in the corners. And then we have peel and stick, which is literally like you peel the bottom of it, you stick it down. And that's why a lot of times peel and stick it's not very symmetrical, and it doesn't last very long either. It's a very, very cheap way to do flooring. But a lot of times what ends up happening is we will tear up flooring and we'll just see tons and tons and tons of different layers of flooring. So instead of doing peel and stick, under peel and stick will be a level of sheet flooring. Underneath the sheet flooring will be another level of sheet flooring. So it's just a disaster trying to cut down to the subfloor, and that's pretty something that we see fairly often. Because originally under all of it all you have hardwoods, which is what this is from 60, 70 years ago. So basically what we'll do, we'll put down brand new LVP all over everything. The LVP will look fantastic. It'll really complement the colors that we're using in here too. This house is big, it's spacious. Everybody that lives in here is gonna have a lot of room. You have different places to congregate, which is nice too, and that will add to the longevity of the tenants and the lifespan of the tenants. Plus, they're gonna be happy with this, guys. We're gonna have a place to live that they're gonna be proud of. And that's so important for what we do, because if you have an investment property that people are constantly moving in and out of, you have very high turnover costs. Turnover costs of just, hitting a room with some paint, where there's been a little wear and tear, cleaning, just the normal things that you would expect when somebody moves out of a unit before you turn it over to the next Section 8 tenant. We want to limit that as best we can. How do we limit that? Well, number 1, we get a really good tenant. That's extremely important. Number 2, you create a product of a home that's high quality, and you create that high quality home by making sure that it's nice, making sure that the layout is sufficient for the tenant and what their lifestyle is like. And you hope that tenants choose your unit because it matches their lifestyle. And then of course, making sure that the house is functional and functions in a way that best supports, again, that tenant and their ability to go about their everyday lives without having the constant pain and suffering of calling because the water's not working, or the toilet's not working, or the heat's not working, or the electrical's not working. So when you do a project like this and you go in and you replace everything, you're not going to have issues. You're not going to have issues with the siding, it's brand new. You're not going to have issues with the roof, it's brand new. You're not going to have issues with the electrical or plumbing, they're brand new. The flooring, you're not going to have pieces of flooring break. When you do stuff like that, you're eliminating maintenance for such a long period of time that essentially not only are you setting yourself up for success when it comes to cash flow that you can sustain over the long term, but you're also creating a situation where the tenant isn't constantly calling property management saying, hey, this is broken, this is broken, this is broken. So it creates a very symbiotic relationship between the landlord and the tenant that tends to last for a long time. So if you guys want to do this, you do it personally with me. I'll walk you through everything hand in hand. We'll do it together. Make sure you buy the right house in the right area, use the right team to do it, and I'll do everything with you. If you guys are interested in that, send me an email in the link below, and let's get started.